So with these beauty devices, there's no thermal protectant required. You could style your hair as many times as you want, and you're only gonna make it better. So there's never been anything like this up until now. This is a Repronizer 27D Plus, not a blow dryer. This is a treatment device that's gonna improve the quality of your hair every single time you use it. This concentrator nozzle should be used anytime you're doing any finish work so that it distributes the heat evenly across your brush. It's not necessary for a rough dry, and you're gonna notice that you get a much less frizzy rough dry even without the concentrator. So to turn this device on, there is a power button, and then we have 3 speeds, 1, 2, and 3. You can utilize hot or cold air at any speed. You don't have to use the power button on and off every single time because it will automatically shut off on its own. So if you're using the Repronizer and you have it at speed 1 and this blue light signifies that it's gonna be blowing cold air. In order to shut it off, just hit the number 1 again. You can easily switch between speeds going from 1, 2, or 3, all without the use of the power button. One of my favorite things to showcase is that you can actually feel the technology on your hands. So anytime I have a client in my chair, I'll have them put their fingers out, both sides, and if you gently rub your fingers together, it almost feels like there's a serum or a slip on your skin. And that's the excess moisture from within your body coming to the surface level. So you can actually feel it. You can feel the technology and know that it's real. Each device has 2 filters, 1 on each side. So 1 here and 1 here. I like to recommend cleaning these filters weekly if you're using them in the salon. And how you would do that is you would just pry open the side, take the filter out. You can wash it with water, use a light brush, and make sure that it's lint-free at all times. Putting it back in once it's 100% dry, and then putting the cover right back on. It's as easy as that.